In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a digital gift card on Walmart. If you need a quick, thoughtful present that arrives instantly or right on a special date, an e-gift card is a great choice. I'll walk you through each step so you can send it confidently the first time. Start by going to the Walmart gift cards page on the Walmart website. This is the hub for both physical and digital options, and we're focusing on the digital version today. Once you're there, look for the e-gift card option. The E indicates it's delivered electronically, so there's nothing to print or ship. You can usually pick a design that matches the occasion, which adds a nice personal touch. Next, choose the gift card amount. Think about what the recipient might want to buy and select a value that fits your budget. Once the amount is set, make sure you click Email Delivery. This confirms the card will be sent by email rather than mailed to a physical address. Now enter the recipient's email address. Type it carefully and double check for typos. The gift can only arrive if the address is correct. Then enter your name. This tells the recipient who the gift is from, so use the name they'll recognize to avoid confusion. You'll see a field for a personal message, which is optional. If you'd like, add a short note to say why you're sending the gift or include a warm greeting. Keep it brief and friendly, just enough to personalize the surprise. Choose the delivery date next. You can send it now for immediate delivery, which is great for last-minute gifts, or select schedule to have it arrive on a specific day. Scheduling is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any day you want it to land right on time. Before you pay, review the order carefully. Confirm the card design, the amount, the recipient's email, your name, your message if you added one, and the delivery date. A quick proofread here can prevent delays or missed deliveries. When everything looks good, complete payment. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely check out. After you place the order, you'll typically see a confirmation on the screen and may receive a confirmation email for your records. The recipient will receive the gift card by email with instructions on how to use it. If they don't see it after a short while, suggest checking their spam or promotions folder, and that's it. Simple, fast, and thoughtful.